Understanding the phrase, in a fog, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss, in a fog. You might have heard it in conversations or read it in books and wondered what it really means. Well, you're in the right place because today, we're going to unravel its meaning, usage, and even look at some examples to help you understand how to use it in real-life conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, in a fog, is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they are in a fog, they are not talking about actual fog or mist. Instead, they are describing a state of confusion or lack of clarity in their thoughts and emotions. It can also refer to a person not paying attention or being distracted. Imagine trying to drive through a thick fog. You can't see clearly, and you might feel lost or unsure of which way to go. That's similar to what this phrase conveys, but in a mental or emotional sense. Using in a fog in sentences is quite straightforward. It's generally used to describe a person's state of mind. Here are some examples to help you understand. 1. Ever since the breakup, Mary has been in a fog, not really paying attention to her work or social life. 2. I didn't sleep well last night, and I've been in a fog all day, unable to focus on my tasks. You can see from these examples that the phrase is used to express a lack of clarity or focus in someone's life. Sometimes, English language learners might get confused and use in a fog in a literal sense, which is not correct. For example, saying, the city is in a fog, to describe a foggy weather day is not the right usage. Instead, you should say, the city is covered in fog. So, remember, in a fog is about a mental or emotional state, not a weather condition. That's it for today's lesson, everyone. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about the phrase, in a fog, and that you now feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your sentences until it becomes second nature. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.